passivity phenomena. Concentrated nitric acid doesn't react with some metal as iron, chromium, and aluminium because these metals protect itself by formation a non-porous layer of oxide, because the nitric acid is an oxidizing property or oxidizing agent. So the iron and chromium and the aluminium doesn't react with concentrated nitric acid. This is called a passivity phenomena. بيحموا نفسهم بطبعة. Okay. Here we can detect presence of nitrate by using a brown ring experiment. This experiment called a brown ring. We can use a sodium nitrate and iron sulfate and sulfuric acid concentrated to get iron sulfate and sodium sulfate and water and nitric oxide. If we heat iron sulfate and nitric oxide, we will have FeSO4.NO, and this is the structure of the brown ring. Here we can make a differentiation between nitrate and nitrite by using a potassium permanganate. Potassium nitrite and potassium permanganate and sulfuric acid give us potassium nitrate and potassium sulfate and manganese sulfate and water. The color of permanganate disappears in the case of nitrite, but the color of permanganate doesn't change or disappear in the nitrate. The permanganate, its color is a violet. The violet color of permanganate disappear with nitrite but don't disappear with nitrate. Now we can talk about functions and importance of nitrogen. We can use it in the preparation of ammonia, in the fertilizers, in the filling car tires, in the filling ships packing bags. Liquefied nitrogen as it used in treatment of some tumor and preserving the living cells as a cornea of eye. Phosphorus used in matches, fireworks, alloys, phosphorus bronze, copper and tin and phosphorus. This is a bronze. This is سبيكة مصنعة من copper and tin أو tin and phosphorus. Arsenic is a very toxic substance. We can use it in a preservation of wood, but arsenic trioxide used in treatment of leukemia, blood cancer. Finally, we can use bismuth in the electric fuse because it have a low melting point. It's a metal, but it have a low melting point. Thank you. The curriculum of the chemistry finished.